Hello students, I am Bhavani. So the next unit is watching and investigation. First of all, watching is the backbone of auditing because it helps the auditor to check the transactions made in the books of accounts with the supporting documentary evidences and ascertain the validity, authenticity and accuracy of the entries made in the books of accounts. Watching is a technical term which refers to the inspection of documentary evidence supporting and sustaining a transactions by an auditor. It is an integral part of accounting. Watching is the practice followed in an audit with the objective of establishing the authenticity of the transactions recorded in the primary books of accounts. It is essentially consists of verifying a transaction recorded in the books of account with the relevant documentary evidence and the authority of the basis of which the entry has been made. Also confirming that the amount mentioned in the voucher has been posted to an appropriate account which would disclose the nature of the transaction on its inclusion in the final statements of account. It does not include valuation. After preparing audit notebook, audit planning, auditing working papers, audit preparations, etc., the next step is to proceed with the examination of accounting entries passed in the books of account during the period under review. In this step, the auditor has to check the entries with its supporting documents to determine the accuracy and authenticity of the entries passed by verifying the vouchers, bills and other supporting documents. This process of checking the evidence of the entries called watching. It may relate to cash as well as trading transactions. Auditor is required to certify the financial statements prepared by the accountant as the statement shows the true and fair view of the results of operations and the statement of affairs of the business, unless he tries to establish the accuracy and authenticity of all the transactions recorded in the books of account. Auditor will be falling from discharging his duty. The existence of establishing and verifying the accuracy and authenticity of the accounting entries passed in the books of account with reliable evidences are technically called watching. It means watching is the testing the truth of all the entries made in the books of account. Meaning of watching. It is the act of testing or substantiating the validity, authenticity and accuracy of the entries made in the books of accounts with the help of relevant documentary evidences. So, watching as an art of comparing entries in the books of accounts with documentary evidences in support thereof. Next, what are the objectives of watching? The objectives of watching are to ensure that the transactions as recorded in the books of accounts are properly authorized and correctly recorded. To ensure that all the entries made in the books are supported by necessary documentary evidences. To see that all the transactions connected with the business have been recorded in the appropriate books of accounts and nothing pertaining to the business has been left as unrecorded. To ensure that no transactions which is not connected with the business has been recorded in the books of accounts. Detection of errors and frauds is also one of the objectives of watching. To sum up, watching is a backbone of auditing because it is not just a mechanical process involving the comparison of entries in the books of accounts with the documentary evidences, but it is an intelligent inquiry into the genuineness of the transactions, accuracy of the amounts involved, and the proper recording of the transactions in the appropriate accounts, and detect all sorts of errors and frauds. So these are the objectives of watching. Next one, what is the purpose of watching? The purpose of watching can be it is an proper evidence, proper authenticity, proper authority, right period, correct amount, capitals and revenue analysis, purchase for business, arithmetical accuracy, posting, no error, no fraud, castings, cash at bank, cash balance, and reporting. First one, proper evidence. So proper evidence means the purpose of watching is to note that proper evidence is available for every entry. The signatures, initials, and the rubber stamp or evidence that document has been authorized and checked. And next one is proper authority. The purpose of watching is to note that there is a proper authority behind every transaction. In the absence of any signature of manager, the transactions are not acceptable at all. Next one, right period. Right period means the purpose of watching is to check that date of the watches relating to accounting period. The adjustments in the books are made on the basis of current year record of transactions. Next one, capitals and revenue analysis. In this, to examine the analysis of transactions into capital and revenue. The expenses relating to 1 year is treated as revenue, otherwise it is called capital. Next one, purchase for business. So the purpose of watching is to check that purchase relate to the nature of business. The private purchase cannot be recorded as business due to watching. Next one, arithmetical accuracy. The purpose of watching is to see the arithmetical accuracy of books of accounts. The auditor to confirm that books are accurate can check the total, subtotals, casting and posting. Postings of total from journal to ledger can be watched by the auditor. He can see through watches that posting are complete and correct. Next one, no error. The purpose of total watching is to check that there are no errors in the books of accounts. The errors are the results of carelessness or overwork. But audit staff is not overloaded, so they can locate errors. No fraud. So no fraud means the purpose of watching is to examine that no fraudulent payments are made. The fraud can be committed due to matching of minds of employees and customer. The auditor can watch the entries and disclose such frauds. Next one, castings. The purpose of watching is to check castings or loads. The auditor can calculate all total by himself. He can compare the totals with the books to maintain accuracy. Next one, cash at bank. The purpose of watching is to determine true cash at bank. He can watch receipt and payments. The result is that he can check whether cash book is correct or not. Next one, cash balance. The purpose of watching is to check the cash in hand figures or facts. The cash can be counted. He can compare it with cash book. He can apply test checking to determine accuracy. And the last one is reporting. The purpose of watching is to form an opinion for the purpose of reporting. In case of true and fair view, there is a good reporter. In the absence of such result, there may be qualified report. Next concept, importance of watching. Watching is the art of checking the documents to find out errors and frauds and to know the authenticity, accuracy and reliability of books of accounts. Thus, it is important for an auditor due to these reasons. First one, watching is the backbone of auditing. Second one, watching is the essence of auditing. And the last one, watching is important to see whether evidences are correct or not. We get a detailed idea about watching is the backbone of auditing. Main aim of auditing is to detect errors and frauds for proving the true and fairness of results presented by income statement and balance sheet. Watching is only the way of detecting all sorts of errors and planned frauds. So, it is the backbone of auditing. Watching is the essence of auditing. Means auditing is not only the checks the accuracy of books of accounts but also checks whether the transactions are related to business or not. All the transactions are performed after the prior approval of concerned authority or not. Transactions are real or not because an accountant may include fictitious transactions to commit frauds. All these facts can be found with the help of watching. So, watching is essential for auditing. Next one, watching is important to see whether evidences are correct or not. An auditor checks the books of accounts to detect errors and frauds. Frauds may be committed presenting duplicate vouchers. So all the small and big amounts of frauds can be detected with the help of watching. So all the documents and records are to be checked carefully and in detail by an auditor, which is the scope of watching. Therefore, it can be said that watching is the heart of auditing, because without the work of watching, the work of auditing cannot be performed. Next concept, principles of watching. The various principles of watching are arranged voucher, checking of date, checking of authority, cutting or change, compare the words and figures, transactions most related to business, case of personal vouchers, checking of account head, revenue stamps, case of cancelled voucher, important notes, minute book, bylaws, agreements, deed of mortgage. We get a detailed idea about the principles of watching. First one is arrange voucher. So voucher is helpful to support any transaction which may be cash memo, fill, voucher, ticket or other. Checking of date. So in this, the voucher date can also be checked. It must be related to the current year. The date of the last or future year must not be adopted. Next one, checking of authority. The vouchers considered correct only when the proper authority signs on them. For the approval of the dealing, the owner or the management must put the signature for the approval of dealing. If the vouchers are without the signatures of the proper authority, they are not considered as true. Next one, cutting or change, means there should be no changes in the vouchers. Any person making the fraud can change the time, date, amount and the name of the concern. So these changes cannot be acceptable till the approval authority have signed. And the next one is compare the words and figures. The auditor should satisfy himself the amount written on the vouchers, its figures and words are same or not. Next one, transaction must related to business. For the correctness of the vouchers, it is necessary that it relates with the business concern. The vouchers must be in the name of the business and also the manager. If it doesn't the vouchers are not acceptable and doubtful. Next, case of personal vouchers. In case the auditor should not accept the voucher in personal name, there is a chance that the officer of the company has purchased any item in his personal capacity. Next one, checking for account header. Auditor must be satisfied about the head of the account in which cash is deposited and drawn. He should examine the documentary evidence in these regards. Next one, revenue stamps. For the Stamps Act 1899 is applicable while fixing the revenue stamps. The stamps are required according to the valuation of the amount or cash memo. There is no need of vouchers if amount is less than 20 rupees. Next one, case of a cancelled voucher. The auditor should not accept the cancelled vouchers because it has already served the purpose of payment. There will be a danger of double payments if it is accepted. Next one, important notes. To arrive the right decision, the auditor can also take help from the working papers of the previous year and other papers or notes related to business and available with the management. Minutes book. When the meeting of shareholders is held, all the resolutions and decisions of the directors and shareholders are recorded in the minutes book. So, the minutes book should be examined by the auditor. He has to check that these decisions have been implemented in the books of accounts or not. Next one is bylaws. In case of company, the articles of association and memorandum are basically the rules and regulations. But on the other hand, in the societies and clubs, the bylaws are used to determine the powers of management. The auditor goes through these rules and regulations to find the true and fair view. And next one is agreements. The auditor must examine all the related papers of the business such as agreement, correspondence and others. The basic information can be received to the auditor by such papers. Next one, deed of mortgage. Sometimes you are the sale or purchase of any assets. The management can enter into the agreement is prepared in this case. If the agreement is prepared in this case, if the agreement is made for a loan against the immovable property, then the mortgage deed is signed. It is compulsory for the auditor to study the content of the deed.